Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. Welcome to another episode of Learn UiPath in 5 minutes. Today we'll talk about how to extract data from PDF. So I'll have here two PDFs. It's a digital PDF. We'll talk about digital PDF. Another day we'll talk about OCR, and I want to extract some data. So what's the idea? If inside of UiPath Studio you have to install on the manage package, you have to install the PDF package. After you install the PDF package, you will find these activities on PDF. You write PDF and you have these activities. We will use today the read PDF text and we will analyze this data. So the idea is like this. My approach is like this. I will take a digital PDF. I will read the PDF. This will return a string, and then the string I will write it on a file. So I will use the write text file to be able to write the string on a file. Then I have a software that is called. So the software is called here Notepad++. I use this software to be able to see perfectly the file, yeah. And based on this, what I see in this file, I will take decision to understand how to extract my data. Okay, good. You can use also normal Notepad, no problem. Next step, let's get some data. So for example, on this AC Bank invoice, I have to extract let's say that the international call to get the international calls. Now, to be able to extract this stuff, what I will do, I will go in on the text file, and I will see that the text file is like this. So in this case, to be able to extract the international calls, I will search for the international calls, and the stuff that it's after international calls until the end of the line, it's my number. To be able to extract this, I have these steps. So I will have read PDF, I will extract the data on the string, isolate the data, and then print it. Let's see the comments here. So to be easy, I put the comments here. So I will have the string, and from the string, I will say substring. Substrings, I will say index of the international call, and this index of the international call will make me a position here on the international call. So this will put a cursor here, but I have to move the cursor here, yeah. So to be able to move the cursor here, I will go and say this. I will say index of international call plus international call length plus 1. And this will move the index of the cursor here, yeah, and the end. So then I'll have to cut this part. To be able to cut this part, I will have another function there. And the function will be extract substring. So basically I will do a temp substring 0 from the beginning to the index of Environment.NewLine, yeah. So in this way I'm able to extract this data. So let's run it. So I take the string, I extract this part, I cut until the international call, then I cut until the first string, and if we print, you will see that we'll get the right data. Okay, so the data that is here, international, it's 81, and here, if we go inside of the PDF, you see exactly this number. Good. Let's take to the next step. So the next step is this one, and I want to extract the invoice number. If you take a look on the Notepad++, you will see that this one is like this. So basically, I have the invoice, and the value of the number it's after 3 lines. Yeah. So let's see how we approach this stuff. Yeah. So to be able to approach this stuff, we'll do it like this. So I will read the PDF. I will do a substring again to extract everything. So I will do a substring like this to extract everything until the invoice dash, and then I split everything on the new lines. Yeah. So I say temp split string environment new line. String split option none, yeah, and in this way I split all my lines. So here inside of this string, I will split from here until the end. I will have the lines, yeah. So I have to count. If I find it here, the invoice, my value will be after 3 lines. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So to be able to print this, I will go here and say invoice number is in my list on the line 3, yeah. And here list, it's a list of lines, which is an array of string, yeah. So let's run it, and you will see that this will put exactly my invoice number. So these are the fast tricks, some fast tricks to be able to extract the data from from the PDF. So remember these comments to analyze the data from a string. I will put this comment on the description of the movie. As usual, if you like my movies, please subscribe to my channel and tell me what else you want to see inside of my movies. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.